The folks at Covenant Health have been preparing for this for some time now, and 30 of our frontline workers received their first dose of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine today. KAMC Matthew Stell here with a look at how things went.
Yeah, Brian and Lauren, you heard Dr. Craig Ryan say this is what they've been waiting on, but all of us can be glad to know we're one step closer to rounding that corner against COVID-19. The coronavirus vaccine has officially made its way to Lubbock.
We got just under 3,000 doses, and that is less than 50% of our caregivers. And so our goal is to figure out who's the highest risk and how can we get it to the right people first. We want to vaccinate as many people as possible. We're hoping to vaccinate about 750 to 760 caregivers a day.
Covenant Health was first on the list in town to get Pfizer's recently approved vaccine, which will have to be stored at negative 70 degrees Celsius, but for a good reason.
This vaccine is state of the art. It really is. It is such a far cry from the vaccines of the past, and it's not going to be incorporated into our DNA. It's not going to cause infertility. It's not going to cause you to get COVID-19. It can't do any of those things.
And frontline workers like Noe, who raced to sign up and get it, are pretty confident in it too.
My mom is older. She's got cystic fibrosis or pulmonary fibrosis. I want to keep her safe. I'm around it all the time. I see people get really sick. I see the sickest of the sick. If we can help curb that, that would be amazing for everybody.
Covenant officials say places like CVS and Walgreens will most likely be responsible for giving the shot to those most vulnerable, like our seniors living in nursing homes, and then eventually the general public.
It is absolutely imperative that people trust in the process, trust in the vaccine, and stop some of this pandemic that is killing so many people around this country. It's not the vaccine that cures the disease, it's the vaccinations. It doesn't work if people don't take it.
Once other vaccines are approved, Covenant says they'll administer those when they're provided by the state. University Medical Center expected to have their vaccines by the end of the week. Brian?
And Matthew, we're all